The second aircraft carrier of Indian Navy is soon to start its sea trial, which would pave its way for commissioning into Indian Navy later this year. The INS Vikrant is currently docked in Cochin shipyard. The aircraft carrier will be vital in checking the TLS Navy growing influence and intrusion in the Indian Ocean and maintain India's dominance in the region. However, the next obvious question would be which fighter jet would be the host of INS Vikrant. Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. As we all know that the HAL is developing a dedicated twin-engine deck-based fighter jet TEDBF for Indian Navy's aircraft carrier. During the Aero India Show 2021, HAL has displayed the latest design and model of the TEDBF. It is being designed to be a true multi-role fighter with 5th generation technologies. It will follow an stealthy design but will not have an internal weapon bay, which makes it slightly unstealthy. However, it will still have the lowest radar cross section when compared to any other 4.5 plus generation fighter jet. This will also reduce the overall weight of the fighter jet. It will have an impressive 11 hard points which can be mounted with a variety of missiles such as ASR-AAM short-range missile, Astra BVR missiles, Rudram-1 and Rudram-2 anti-radiation missiles, and many more. It will have smaller size when compared to Indian Navy's existing MiG-29K Fulcrum. When compared with Chinese Navy's fighter Shenyang J-15 jets, which is a reverse engineered copy of Russian Sukhoi Su-30 3-flanker D, it is much smaller in size. The smaller size of TEDBF will allow INS Vikrant to accommodate more of these jets on its deck. While all sounds perfect about TEDBF, the fighter jet will not be available to Indian Navy before 2026, and it will take another 2 to 3 years from there on to fulfill the requirement of INS Vikrant. Then what is the interim solution Indian Navy has? Option 1. Indian Navy can use existing fleets of MiG-29K with few more additions to it, and they can be later replaced by TEDBF in 2030 when they are planned to be decommissioned. Option 2. Indian Navy had already issued RFI for the procurement of 57 multi-role carrier-borne fighters. The two most likely contenders are Boeing's F-18 Super Hornet and Dassault Rafale. Both of these fighters are operational in US and French Navy respectively, and with a proven combat experience and very competent fighter jets. With Rafale, Navy will have additional advantage as Indian Air Force is already operating them. In future, we'll definitely see India's homegrown 5th generation fighters jets on our aircraft carrier. It is also highly likely that China is going to field its 5th generation fighter on their upcoming aircraft carriers. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.